Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to learn bot framework using Python language. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about receipt card. This is one of the card in bot framework. This card mainly used for the billing purpose. So as you see here, this diagram is just one of the sample billing. We can create this type of bill in the using receipt card. So first, this two area is called the FAT. So key value relationship. This is a key and this is a value. So we can add a number of headers here, small header like a bill number, payment mode, or if you want to add anything more on that, you can add it. Here in this area is called receipt items. So each entry is one of the item on this one, and these are the another parameter, another property in the receipt card. First is a tax, total, and VAT also is there. I just given only the tax and total. We'll move on to Visual Studio Code, and create one sample. Class type, receipt card. Here we'll start. So card, receipt card, title I assigned receipt card, sample. Next, I want to assign the next factor like headers, bill number, and payment of method, like that. So that we have to add in the fats. So here I just adding is the array. You can add a number of items. For that, first I need to add the class type. So fat, this one key is like bill number, and value field is let's say like 2001. And second fat is payment mode. What type of payment user they're using, cash or card, something like I make it cash. Yeah. Next we have to add the items, receipt item. For that we have to add one more class called receipt item. We are just assigning, sorry, items, yes, items, receipt item. The receipt item I mentioned title, yeah, title maybe bot framework book. Next price, let's say 20 euro. This also in string, 20 euro. Fine. Like that, I add one more receipt item. Title maybe Python book. Price 100 euro. 100 euro. 100 euro. Sorry guys, 100 euro. Hey, come on. So these are the item. Next is hey, come on. Yeah. So card dot VAT. If any VAT is applicable or not. Let's say VAT applicable 0.2, and tax. I just giving an example, not exact bill here, just how to use this card. So tax maybe 12%, 12%, total 3 220, 12 something I given here. I don't calculate anything all over here. So that's it. Thing is ready. Then I just return. So card factory dot receipt card type. Save it. Compile. Seems to be no error. So I just started. Okay. Now I go to emulator. Connect it. So I send message hi. Yeah. Hooking. So this is the title which we given receipt card a sample. Maybe I will, yeah, just move it here. Receipt, and this is a facts, bill number and payment method, and these are the receipt item. So receipt item, you can see bot framework and bot framework ebook and Python ebook, VAT, and total everything seems to be working. Here you can see we not added the quantity, number of quantity. That is important, no, in the bill. That also one of the important. So that we have to add it. Correct. So I just go to here, stop the application, and I add one more property called quantity. Maybe I'll put one here. Maybe this book 5. Again, I start the application. Go to emulator, restart. So high. Here you can see the value is not displaying. Quantity I given, here, but emulator is not display. The problem here is the bug in the emulator. Here you can see the attachment 0 content and items, first items. So here you can see our value is coming to the emulator. That means bots send the JSON as JSON also quantity 1, and here quantity 5. Here it's not displaying. This is a bug in the emulator. If you try to use any other channels like Skype or Facebook Messenger, definitely that value it will be display. Maybe in the later of the tutorial we see whether it's displaying or not. Once I complete this one to hosting the channel, we see this one. And one more is we can add the image also. Like for example, bot framework book, even and Python book. If you want, we can add the image also. That's also available. That property. Just stop the application, and here you can see image. So image, you can add it like go back to card image already say. So you can use the card image and pause the URL. Maybe here also I will add card image URL. Use this URL, and here also same URL. Save and restart the application. Okay, go to emulator. Restart. I send message hi. Here you can see the image is displaying. This is a receipt card. I hope you can understand how to use the receipt card. Next tutorial we'll see how to use the audio card. Thanks to all. Bye.